Is the reason what has happened. I asked the WRT now also. I said some 15 days back they said there was a flooding in as far as Mala area. So what has he done? He said now he has assured you must have seen. He has assured that there will be no flooding as far as this thing. I will wait and watch. No, but he is ultimately what happened. He is technical. As far as technicality is concerned, he knows the best. So we will have to wait and watch this monsoon what happens.
Are you satisfied because it is a disaster management, monsoon preparedness?
No, monsoon preparedness is totally separate. No, monsoon preparedness is totally separate. This is a thing which we had tried to put in place as far as Mala is concerned. Now Mala, they said that it will not be flooding. That is the assurance what has been given by WRT chief engineer. So now we will have to only wait and watch and see what happens.
बाबूश पयलीं पणजे फ्लडिंग जातालें बट आतां सिवेजीचे उदकाचें फ्लडिंग जावपाक लागलां.
No, sewage, see, sewage is a pipe फुटलेले. So that is the reason, or maybe it is because of that Mala this thing also. So now let us wait and watch. Well, I really cannot tell you. As far as technicality is concerned, they have already seen.
बाबूश पणजेकार सफर पणजेकार
ना, I understand पणजेकार. आम्ही कितें कोत्ता पणजेकार सफर जायना जावपाक आमी कोत्ता न्हू. See, we are putting all efforts. Doesn't mean to say you go out and start inspecting all. That's the reason I always say. Inspection is totally different. I have left it up to the department basically to do their job. I don't want to be basically a hurdle into their when they are doing their job. So see, there are always 10 heads. If I go there, there will be 10 other people, and everyone will try to be engineers in that. So I am saying, let us give them the chance. Whoever we have given the tenders have gone to whoever it is, and the engineers basically are inspecting on the job. So ultimately, who is to be blamed and all that we can take stock later on if things don't. We also care about the health of the people. So now whatever has happened, where there have been a mistake, then we will try to rectify it.
Like the WRT has said, extra pumps and the Mala flooding जावपाक. So ते उनका दिसता ते करता
आता केलेले आहात तेमी. आता तुवें जर मळ्यान वचून पळयल्यार they have built a separate unit itself and pumps they have heavy duty pumps they have fixed in it. We will have to just wait and watch now. See, the assurance has already been given by this thing that there will be no flooding. That we are working in their interest. That's it. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.